What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to get a quick update video in before the end of the year and before it snows, because we're looking at snow here in the next day or two. So I just wanted to give you a quick lawn update and everything. Look how green this is. I think it's December 11th today. Yes. I have never seen my grass looking this green this late into the year. I mean, just look at that. That color is, I don't mean to brag, but I put a lot of work into this lawn this year, and I think it's looking fantastic for early December. Normally it's losing color around like late October, early November, but we haven't really had any snow yet this year, no accumulation at least, but we have had a few hard frosts already, and normally that really does the lawn in for the year. But I mean, compared to the neighbor's lawn, I think the color's still looking good. I'll show you around the neighborhood a little bit more, but even across the street there you can see my color is, especially right there where the bluegrass really came in where I seeded, it's looking great. Now, I haven't mowed in over a month. I think it was probably end of October or early November is when I last mowed. So this could actually, it grew just a teeny tiny bit. You can see it's a little uneven. It's a little bit higher here and a little bit lower down here. But I mean, aside from just the frost doing in the color a little bit, making it a little more yellow, it's definitely still looking good. All my plants here are pretty much done for the year, but other than that, things are looking good, and I don't expect this color to last for very long anymore, since we are coming to a snow here pretty soon. Once it's covered up, I will be really surprised if it holds any color beyond that. But there, you can see the front yard. There's still some patchiness, but I was dealing with this all year long. Just a little bit of the older grass is still mixed in with the bluegrass that I seeded, so it is a little patchy, but you can see that iron and all the nutrients I put in really helped. This area, I think, is still kind of a mixture of crappy grasses that I just don't care for, so that area I'm going to try to reseed, or I should say overseed this in the spring, just to see if I can kind of fill that in and make it a little more even. But the garden is pretty much dormant for now. It's really windy and cold out here, so I'm not going to spend too much time out here. I should have done this yesterday when it was still 45 degrees out. Instead, it's windy and gonna snow soon. But yeah, I mean, look at the comparison there. There is a four-way comparison of my lawn versus the competition, so you can really see what we're working with here. And of course, from this angle you can see my nice grass over here in this section I didn't do anything to last year. In fact, this is neglected on this side of the driveway, as I explained earlier in the spring. So maybe there might be a project coming in the springtime. I might tear all this up and put down a monostand of some sort of bluegrass and do some experimentation. That remains to be seen yet, but just wanted to let you guys know that's probably going to be my plans for 2021. Back in the garage now that I'm out of the wind and where it's a little bit warmer. This is a little surprise for you guys that I'll be revealing. It's just a simple sheet of metal. You probably have no idea what this is for, but it has a little bit to do with the lawn care community, and you'll be seeing that here shortly. But anyway, I just wanted to say, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm going to be releasing this video hopefully in the next few days, so I don't know if I'll be having another outdoor lawn-related video until springtime, since it is supposed to snow, but I just wanted to get in touch with everybody, give you a quick lawn update and see where we're at. Lots of cool new content to come your way soon, so stick around because there's going to be some stuff going on in the garage here. We're going to be working on the old Subaru. We're going to be doing some work around the house and fixing stuff, so don't go anywhere. It's still going to be exciting, but not quite the same lawn-related content. But I'm sure you'll still find it interesting, and hopefully we can pick up a few subscribers throughout the winter time. It's usually a very slow time for my channel during the winter months, but that's alright. It gives me time to do other things and catch up. But anyway, I just wanted to say hello and wish you all the best for 2021 in the lawn or whatever you may be doing. You know what? I've waited long enough to finish this video since I didn't get everything completed right away, so I'm going to go ahead and reveal what that piece of sheet metal was that I showed earlier in this video. So, without further ado, drum roll, the Lawn Care Community Sticker Board! Woo! Guys, check that out! A lot of cool people on this board here, huh? I have been putting this sticker board together for a while now. I've been talking to people on Instagram, so if you see your sticker on here, or if you don't know any of these lawn care channels or people, go ahead and reach out to them. A lot of them have YouTube channels, a lot of them, or most of them, are on Instagram, so I encourage you to go ahead and reach out to these guys, but this is still a work in progress. I didn't stick down the stickers yet. So if you have a lawn care channel and you want your stickers displayed in my garage, I'm going to frame this and I'm going to hang it in my garage so we'll be able to see it on all my future videos. So be sure to leave a comment below, reach out to me on Instagram if you want to swap stickers, because I definitely want to support the lawn care community and everybody who's helped me along the way to grow my channel. This is just my shout out to everybody who's helped out and leaves comments on all my videos. Thank you so much to all of you. God bless you all. Looks like I got a lot more stickers than I first anticipated, so I'm gonna have to arrange this as best I can. I've got a few more that aren't even featured on here yet, so you know, it's not complete. I left them so I can move them around and get them situated just right so I can maximize the space I've got to work with. But like I said, this is my DIY project that I've been working on. And I've been thinking about how to display this in my garage, and I decided, oh, I want something kind of cool and industrial looking. So, because it's going in my garage, and I walked around Home Depot for a while, and I found this sheet of cheap, flimsy sheet metal, which is just used for HVAC ducting. And I'm going to probably put a frame on it or something. I don't know yet. If you guys have ideas or thoughts for that, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what I should do with this board. But anyway, guys, that's all I've got for today. I just wanted to unveil the big sticker board. So, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel this year in 2020. Here's 2021. Hopefully we have a better year. Until next time, thanks for watching.